Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Miss plus sink, miss ink. L plus ink, link, missing link. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Nice to have you join us once again for Classic Concentration, a half hour of puzzles and brand new cars. And we have these two people to welcome back to our program. The lady on my right is our challenger. Her name is Ruth Harvey. Welcome aboard, Ruth.
Thank you.
Good to have you here. Ready?
Yeah.
Feeling okay?
Yeah, fine.
Okay. She's an expectant mother, so we have to be very careful for her. Scott Lane is our champion, and he's won $11,036 in prizes, and he's hoping to win a vacation to Australia.
Australia, yes.
Why is that important to you?
Yes, I have a girlfriend who lives in Brisbane.
Girlfriend who lives in Brisbane.
Long-distance relationship.
You bet. Yes. All right. Well, good luck to you today. Take a look over here, and this may take you to that part of the world. I'm not sure. Gene?
A Hong Kong waterfront hotel. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Hong Kong via JAL. En route to the Orient, enjoy friendly hospitality on board one of their Jumbo 747 jets, furnished by Japan Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Harbor View Holiday Inn Hong Kong. Deluxe waterfront hotel with panoramic views of Hong Kong Harbor in the middle of the shopping, nightlife, and entertainment that the exotic Orient can offer. Cabby, follow that rickshaw. Alex.
Thank you. Do you know in Hong Kong, I believe they still have rickshaws or those little bicycle transportation vehicles such as that one? All right, for Scott and Ruth, let's show them where they can find the Holiday in Hong Kong. Right there at number 19. Scott says, that's all right. That's close enough to Australia for me. But Ruth is going to get to pick first in this game.
I want my lucky number 18, please.
All right. His and her leather attachés.
My husband can use that. Number 1 to match, please.
His and her leather attachés. All right, Ruth starting out on the right foot today. Open it up for her. Go again.
Number 5, please.
Diamond and emerald ring.
That'd be nice. Is there a match under number 11?
Wild card, so it is a match. The other diamond and emerald ring is located at number 14.
On a mission here.
Yeah, she is. Open it up again.
No guess.
Pick again.
Number 12, please.
Picnic basket.
That'd be nice. Number 8, please.
Scooter and skateboards. And for a woman in your condition, that is not a prize you want to win.
No.
Not for
I have a nephew.
All right. Well, for your nephew, you might consider it. Scott, we go over to you now.
Let's see if we can get something going here. Let's see what's behind number 10, please. Green take. Well, let's see if we can find a match or wild card under number 20.
Hong Kong. You've just helped Ruth, I think.
I will remember that one.
Thank you very much. I'll take number 19.
Hong Kong.
And number 20.
Hong Kong. Yeah, you would need a take to protect it. But for the moment, enjoy the fact that you've made that match. That prize is in your column, and you get to look at the puzzle. Go again.
Number 9, please.
Stargazing telescope.
Oh, my nephew would love that. Number 25, please.
Red take.
Ooh.
No match. Scott.
Well, let's see what's under number 15, please.
Dishwasher.
Well, let's see if we can find a match or wild card under number 16.
Dishwasher. Just like that.
Yes. My sister.
What happens now? Open it up. Select again, Scott.
Let's see what's behind number 2, please.
His and her gym membership. Well, you don't need that.
No, I don't. I'm a trainer. But let's try to find a match or wild card under number 24.
Scooter and skateboards set. Ruth.
Was that under number 13?
No.
Oh, shoot.
Crystal chandelier.
Number 22, please.
Red take. Uh-oh. Scott?
Well, let's try to match the scooter skateboards number 8 and 24.
Correct. I thought you were going to try to come up with another match. You may do that in a moment, but for now, we'll open these two panels for you. Select.
Let's see what's behind number 7, please.
Lucky 7 is the crystal chandelier.
Number 13 for the match.
That's the match. Yes. 2 more doors opening up. Pick again.
Number 25, please.
Red take.
Number 22 for the match.
Had you forgotten that a moment ago? Or
I wasn't sure, so I thought I'd take the match that I knew.
Because I said to myself, this man wants to go to Australia, and Hong Kong isn't all that far away. And you came up with a take. Do you want to use it now?
I'm going to say I made a mistake last time using it too early.
You heard what he just said? He says he made a mistake last time using it too early. Let's see if it works out this way. Open it up. Make another selection, please, Scott.
Number 4, please.
Wild card.
Number 10, please, for the match.
10 for the match. Green tape. Yellow green tape. Goodbye, Hong Kong, says Ruth. Hello, Hong Kong, maybe.
Yes, I will take
Scott.
it now, please.
Taking it?
Yes, sir.
All right, give it to him. Take it away from Ruth and give it to Scott. Slide it over. And now show him these 3 pieces of the puzzle. Pick again.
Number 12, please.
Picnic basket.
Well, we saw that there. Let's see if we can find the natural match under number 17.
No, his and her gym membership. Ruth.
Number 2, please.
That's the gym membership.
And number 17 for the match.
That is correct. So you've got another prize up there. It doesn't compare to Hong Kong, of course, but you could win the game right now. Take a look. No? Well, there's still a wild card on the board to help you make the next match.
Number 21, please.
That is the picnic basket.
Was that number 9?
Oh, no.
Shoot.
Shoot indeed. Scott, here's your golden opportunity.
Number 21, please. And number 12 for the match.
That's the match. Now, you're going to clear the board.
Yes.
He has perhaps something that you would like.
The diamond emerald ring, please.
I thought that since you might be going to Hong Kong, you might want to bring a lovely piece of jewelry with you to the lady in Australia. Open these 2 doors for him and show him 6, 9, and 23. That's the telescope and the wild card. And now, Scott, when we open these panels for another big payoff, can you solve this puzzle?
Something I'm very used to. Center stage.
Center stage, he says. Yes.
No, that's all right. Congratulations.
Okay. We have the scent. I didn't know if it was flip, toss, whatever, but apparently the arrows point to the scent. So it's scent plus ear. Center. And then the stay plus the J is stage. Center stage.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Well done, Scott.
Ruth, unfortunately, that's your second
okay.
strike,
I had
and
a
that's
good
bad
time.
news. But you know, all of the prizes that Scott has won in this game don't compare at all to the beautiful prize you've got coming up.
That's
your
right.
first baby, your
right.
first little girl. So good luck with that.
Thank you.
Take care. Nice having you with us.
Thank you very much. Good luck, Scott.
All right, Scott. You're going to Hong Kong.
Yeah.
And you've got some other good prizes too. Go, Gene.
A picnic basket, a diamond emerald ring, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a diamond emerald ring or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise, and a crystal chandelier. Schoenbeck Solitaire Crystal Chandelier, a bold, dramatic creation by Arnold Schoenbeck featuring fine, traditional styling in brilliant lead crystal furnished by Schoenbeck, and a stargazing telescope. Jason Discoverer Astronomical Refractor Telescope, 450 64 power with tripod and equatorial mount for easy tracking, furnished by Jason. And a scooter and skateboards. Veriflex's XP Series skateboards for fun and competition. Colorful graphics on a sturdy board, plus the steel-framed Strata scooter, furnished by Veriflex. And a dishwasher. The electronic control RCA dishwasher features a system monitor that warns users of potential problems. It also offers a 3-level wash system and a hard-working pots and pans cycle, furnished by RCA. And, of course, the exciting Hong Kong. And, Scott, this is a prize package totaling $6,541.
You're over $17,500 at this point, and with 50 seconds on the clock, you stand a good chance of winning that brand new car for your mom when we come back. Our champion, Scott, has a girlfriend named Tina in Australia, and I'm sure she's keeping a shrimp on the barbie for him right now, hoping that he wins this trip to, well, he's already won the trip to Hong Kong, but you'd like him to win a brand new car, too, so he could get out there and visit with her. Here are the 15 numbered squares. Here's the clock with 50 seconds showing, Scott. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2.
No.
3, 4.
No.
5, 6.
No.
1, 6.
Right.
7, 9.
No.
10, 4.
No.
5, 3.
No.
11, 3.
Right.
12, 4.
No.
13, 8.
No.
14, 7.
No.
15, 4.
Yes.
10, 2.
Yes.
5, 13,
Yes.
7, 12,
Right.
8, 9.
Clock went to zero just
a little better
as
this time, though.
You did a lot better. Never mind a little better. You did a lot better. You were kind of fumfing around there for a while, and then all of a sudden in the last 10 seconds you came to life and you made 4 matches consecutively, and it worked out very nicely for you. Almost won a brand new car, but you're going to come back and play again. Yep. You've got $17,577, including that holiday in Hong Kong.
Oh, yes.
Break time for us, so we'll return after this. Handsome young gentleman is our champion, and now we're delighted to welcome a beautiful young lady. Her name is Bryna Wallach, and welcome aboard.
Thank you.
You're not going to shake my hand. You're going to ignore me.
Never.
I just wanted to hold your hand for a moment.
You
Tell
can
me
have
about
it.
yourself.
I'm a student at Chapman College in the city of Orange. I'm originally from Northern California, and I came down there to study music.
Really?
1 more year.
With a view to doing what? Are you talking about classical music now?
Yeah, I'm going to be a music teacher at high school choir.
Hey, wonderful. That's good news.
Yeah,
Here's
a few
some more.
of us out there.
Here's some more good news. This prize.
Viva Bags of California, high-fashion leather handbags and coordinating belts accented with fine quality leather, reflecting impeccable style for the contemporary woman, furnished by a Viva Bags of California. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Thank you, Marjorie. Bryna, Scott, take a look on the board. The bags, the leather handbags and belts are dead center at number 13. $500 in the cash pot, Bryna. And a holiday in Cancun, Mexico.
Oh, gosh.
A little break from your studies.
Yeah.
You get to pick first, of course. You're the challenger.
Right. That's always nice. Number 7, please.
Red take.
Okay, match or wild card under number 19.
Carpet. No match. Scott.
Let's see, behind number 11, please.
Ice cream maker.
And let's try for match or wild card under number 1.
Satin bedding. No match. Bryna.
Okay, number 17.
Leather handbags and belts.
And the match number 13.
Easy to remember, right in the middle. It was a pretty prize, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Very stuff.
very nice.
Like that. Open it up for Bryna. Pick again.
Number 24.
Wild card. Now there's the
Okay.
cash pot, there's Cancun.
I'm going to fish for Cancun. Number 9.
Satin bedding. The other
that's
satin,
nice, too.
yes, it is nice. The other satin bedding, upper left-hand corner, number 1. And what that means is 3 panels will now open up for you, Bryna. Pick again.
Okay, the corner, number 5.
Color TV.
Ooh, that'd be really nice. Number 18.
Wild card. Where's the other color television, please? Show us that one at number 22. And now, open 3 more panels for the challenger. Pick again.
Number 2, Alex.
Carpet.
And
where did we see that?
I saw that under number 19.
You open it up for Bryna. Pick again.
Okay, number 6.
Cancun, Mexico.
Oh, man. And number 23.
Holy cow. Oh, boy.
Cancun, the other one. At number 12. It's up there. In fact, all of the prizes are in Bryna's column. Bryna, look at this puzzle carefully. A lot at stake here. Go again. Natural matches only from this point on.
Oh, that's kind of a bummer. I was doing good because, wow.
You were.
Okay, let's try number 8.
Green take.
Ooh, that'd be great insurance. And number 20.
No. Ice cream maker. Scott.
Number 11, please.
Ice
Number
cream
20
maker.
for the match.
Right. So one little prize for you, but a chance to win the game. Select again.
Number 16, please.
Sleeper sofa.
I don't think we've seen that. Let's see what's behind number 15, please.
Cash pot. Bryna, back to you.
Ooh, number 10, please.
Sleeper sofa.
Number 16.
Sleeper sofa. Can you do it now, Bryna? Go again. Oh, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. I'm going to help you out by revealing these boxes one at a time. You can ring in when the green light goes on. Number 3, 4. Whoa, there's Bryna.
Read between the lines.
Bryna, I think you won yourself a holiday in Mexico. Read between the lines.
Okay, well, it took me a while to get these. These are reeds. I couldn't think of the name. And the beat, I just guessed. Beat and then ween. So it's read between and then the. And then I was thinking this was fish, but it's really far over here. They're pointing to the line. So it's read between the lines.
All right, congratulations.
Thank you.
Actually, I'd have solved it. Read between the fish. And I'd have been close. Scott, that's just 1 strike against you, so you're going to come back. We'll see you in the next game. Yes. And Bryna, now you get to hear about all of your prizes, including a fabulous vacation. Gene.
Carpet. Columbus Mills carpets featuring traffic control fiber systems with new patented fiber technology for the epitome of luxury and performance, furnished by Columbus Mills. And satin bedding. Whisper Soft Mills, luxurious super satin bedding woven of 270 thread count. Designed for comfort and elegance, furnished by Whisper Soft Mills. And a sleeper sofa. The Lazy Boy Signature 2 Sleep Sofa with deluxe inner spring mattress featuring a wide variety of fabrics suitable for any decor. Enjoy elegance by day and comfort by night, furnished by Lazy Boy. And a color TV. Magnavox 20-inch stereo color TV is smart, very smart. It includes a universal remote that controls virtually any brand of wireless VCR and cable, furnished by Magnavox. And Cancun, Mexico.
Oh, I want to go there so bad.
We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Cancun, and you'll spend 6 nights at the Holiday Inn Crown Plaza, Cancun. Sparkling clear, turquoise waters, white beaches, and tropical climate. Masterful and impeccable dining, raising service to an art, furnished by Holiday Inn Crown Plaza, Cancun. And, of course, the lovely leather handbags and belts. And, Bryna, these prizes are worth a hefty number, $5,924.
Big
Chihuahua.
Yes, Gene, big win indeed for Bryna, and a chance to win a brand new car as well. Big win for you in the game, Bryna. Let's see if you can match it by winning a brand new car. 15 numbered squares for you, 35 seconds on the clock. Space time's going to be tough. You're going to have to be lucky. Good luck.
1, 3,
No.
4, 6,
No.
7, 3,
Right.
9, 12,
No.
4, 11,
No.
2, 14,
Yes.
6, 10,
Nope.
12, 10,
Right.
4, 13,
Nope.
15, 4,
Right.
13, 9.
Well, you had 3 to go, but that's good showing for your first time out. $5,924 in prizes. You're going to come back and play again. We're going to come back also. We're going to take a break after we hear from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Schlage key and keyless electronic lock set and deadbolt combination of security and convenience of not needing a key. Built-in alarm and designed for easy installation, furnished by Schlage. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Have a good weekend. See you Monday.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.